Hey, fitness warriors, think you've mastered the push-up? Think again. Today, we're cranking it up with 10 advanced push-up variations you should try, moves that'll test your strength, shake up your routine, and make you feel like a total beast. These aren't your gym class push-ups. They're next-level challenges for those who've got the basics down and are hungry for more. From explosive power to insane balance, these variations will push your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core to the edge. Ready to level up? Let's dive into this lineup of advanced awesomeness. Why go advanced? Push-ups are the king of bodyweight moves, simple yet brutal when done right. But if you're knocking out 20 to 30 regular reps with ease, it's time to spice things up. Advanced variations add intensity, target new muscles, and keep your workouts from turning into a snooze fest. They're perfect for building strength, power, and that wow factor, whether you're training for athletics, showing off, or just proving something to yourself. Let's meet the contenders. The 10 advanced push-up variations. Here's the list, each one's a beast in its own right. I'll break down how to do them, what they hit, and why they're worth your sweat. Buckle up. One arm push-up. How? One hand behind your back or off the ground, feet wide for balance, lower and push up with one arm. Targets: chest, triceps, shoulders, core, unilateral overload. Why try it? The ultimate strength test. It's raw power and stability in one. Start with 3 to 5 reps per side, progress is the prize. Clap push up. How? Standard stance, explode up, clap hands midair, land, repeat. Targets: chest, triceps, shoulders, fast twitch fibers for power. Why try it? It's explosive and flashy, perfect for speed and athleticism. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 and own that airtime. Superman push-up. How? Push off so your whole body goes airborne, arms forward, legs back like you're flying, land, go again. Targets: full body, chest, core, even legs get a kick. Why try it? It's a showstopper that screams elite fitness. Try 3 to 5 reps, landing's the tricky part. Archer push-up. How? Hands wide, shift weight to one arm, keep the other straight, lower, switch sides. Targets: chest, triceps, one side dominates each rep. Why try it? A stepping stone to one-arm glory with a killer pec stretch. Go for 6 to 10 per side, feel the control. Triple clap push-up. How? Explode up, clap 3 times, front, behind back, front again, land. Targets: chest, shoulders, triceps, insane speed and coordination. Why try it? It's the ultimate clap challenge, few can pull it off. Start with 3 to 5 reps and chase the rhythm. Pike to push up. How? Start in a pike, hips high, lower to a push-up position, push up, return to pike. Targets: shoulders, triceps, chest, core, dynamic transition. Why try it? It's a fluid combo that builds strength and mobility. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12, smooth is key. Spider-Man push-up. How? Lower down, bring one knee to your elbow, alternate sides each rep. Targets: chest, triceps, obliques, core gets a twist. Why try it? Agility needs strength, like climbing walls without the web. Try 8 to 12 per side for a full body burn. Handstand push-up, wall assisted. How? Facing a wall, kick into a handstand, lower your head to the floor, push up. Targets: shoulders, triceps, chest, vertical overload. Why try it? It's a gateway to freestanding handstands with monster upper body gains. Do 3 sets of 5 to 10, gravity's your friend here. Explosive switch push-up. How? Push up, shift hands side to side midair, left to right, land, repeat. Targets: chest, triceps, shoulders, plus agility. Why try it? It's a power move with a coordination twist, keeps you sharp. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 switches. Fingertip push-up. How? Standard push-up, but on your fingertips instead of palms. Targets: chest, triceps, forearms, grip strength bonus. Why try it? Builds finger and wrist strength, think martial arts or climbing, while hitting the usual suspects. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 15 tough but epic. How to tackle these? Don't just jump in blind, here's your game plan. Prerequisite: nail 20 to 30 regular push-ups first, these are advanced for a reason. Warm up, 5 to 10 minutes arm swings, planks, light push-ups. Loose joints equals safe gains. Start small, pick 2 to 3 variations, do 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps each. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Progress, add reps, slow the tempo, or level up to harder moves weekly. Mix it up, try a circuit, 5 reps of each, one after another, for a brutal 50-rep blast. Why I'm obsessed. I'll spill a secret, I used to scoff at push-ups, too basic, right? Then I tried archers and face-planted. Claps? 8 mat. But I kept it at weeks of wobbles turned into clean one-arms and crisp triple claps. Last month, I hit a Superman push-up in my garage. Neighbors probably thought I was nuts. These moves aren't just exercises, they're milestones. Which one's calling you? Tips to crush it. Form over flash, sloppy reps waste effort, keep your body tight, even mid-air. Explode with purpose, power comes from intent, push like you mean it. Balance matters, wider feet help on one arms, narrow stances amp up core work. Rest smart, these tax you 2 to 3 sessions a week max, with recovery days. The payoff. Master these, and you're not just stronger, you're a force. Your chest fills out, triceps bulge, shoulders broaden, and your power skyrockets. Plus, you've got skills to flex. Imagine casually dropping a triple clap at the park while jaws drop. It's functional fitness with a side of swagger. Athletes use these for dominance, you can use them to feel invincible. Sample advanced workout. Try this. Warm up, 10 regular push-ups, 30-second plank. One arm push-up, 3x5/side. Clap push-up, 3x10. Spider-Man push-up, 3x10/side. Pike to push-up, 3x12. Rest, 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Twice a week, watch your upper body transform. Your challenge. Pick 1 or 3 from this list and test yourself today. Maybe 5 one-arms per side or 10 claps in a row. Film it, time it, or just feel the rush. Which one's your nemesis? Your new fave? Hit me with your stories, I'm dying to know. These 10 advanced push-up variations are your ticket to greatness. Go own them.